Hi, my name is Mira Gowda, and I'm a senior in high school at the Bishop School in San Diego, California. This summer, I was an intern at the World Fish Center, which is headquartered in Malaysia, but I mostly worked with the location in Odisha, India. Malnutrition is a prevalent issue in many areas of rural South Asia, and World Fish is taking an innovative approach to solving this issue. They've put in place coastal fisheries and backyard ponds that increase the accessibility of fish to women and children in the area. And one of the first things that I found in my research was that fish are a really unique solution to this problem of malnutrition because they have the ability to provide vitamin A, zinc, iodine, and calcium all at once. As an intern, I had two tasks. The first one was creating a fact sheet summarizing the fish-based education program that World Fish has created in Odisha, India. So once these fisheries are put in place, the question then becomes how to integrate that fish into the diets of women and children in the area. I created a summary sheet of the process through which these fish are dried into fish powder and integrated into recipes, and I also discussed how the village leaders are trained to ensure that this process goes smoothly. My second task was creating a research paper proposing a fish-based nutrition program in Assam, India, which is a different state in India. I read through hundreds of papers about domestic and international approaches to nutrition and evaluated which of those approaches have been the most and least successful. One thing that I found in this research was that in almost all the cases where nutrition intervention is not as successful, the approach mostly includes supplemental pills being distributed every day with instructions to swallow one. But I found two main issues with this. The first one was that the women and children didn't really understand why they were being forced to swallow a pill each day, so there wasn't very much education around nutrition. And the second one was that the pills didn't taste very good. So an important part of my proposal paper included integrating this fish powder into recipes that did taste good, like fish chutneys, curries, and other recipes that really appealed to women and children. I'm interested in pursuing environmental science, food, and nutrition. And the main ways that I've been pursuing this interest so far are through initiatives in my own community, such as teaching cooking science classes or starting community gardens. In my own community, lack of nutrition often takes the form of diabetes. So this internship really gave me the opportunity to see how dietary diseases manifest themselves in other countries. In India, particularly in Odisha and Assam, this means malnutrition and undernutrition. It was an incredible experience to work under the 2021 World Food Prize laureate and the entire team at World Fish, who were all super supportive of me and willing to answer any questions that I had. I want to thank the entire teams at World Fish and at World Food Prize, but in particular Dr. Padiyar, Dr. Pincus, Dr. Rata, Ms. Aziz, Dr. Chadag, Ms. Shanoy, and Dr. Thilstead at World Fish, along with Mr. Kautsky and Dr. Barbara Stinson at the World Food Prize Foundation, for really giving me the chance to have such a meaningful internship this summer. Thank you.